Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is the tooth numbering system for the primary and the permanent dentition both. So basically what is a tooth numbering system? Mostly we oral healthcare workers use specific letters to associate specific information to a particular tooth, and when we communicate with other dentists. So we make it easier to communicate because it is much more difficult to call the whole name, right? If you're denoting a maxillary teeth, you will call it a maxillary, right, central incisor, or anything like that. We simply number them or just give an alphabet to it. So we are going to discuss some systems. So there are three systems that are most commonly used worldwide, and the first one is the FDI. The full form of the FDI is the Federation Dentaire International, and which is also called the ISO system. And the second one is the Universal Numbering System, and then the Palmer Notation System, which is also called Zsigmondy Notation System. Okay, FDI is most commonly used in the US. I'm not going into the detail of who discovered these systems, just going thoroughly. Now, the picture you are seeing in this slide is of the primary dentition, and we have divided it into four quadrants. Here you can see this one is the maxillary right quadrant, and this one is the maxillary left quadrant, this one is mandibular left, and this one is mandibular right. So for maxillary right quadrant we call it first quadrant, and then maxillary left we call second quadrant, then mandibular left we call it third quadrant, and mandibular right we call it fourth quadrant. And we have divided the oral cavity into four quadrants to make it easier. And in primary dentition we have 10 tooth in the maxilla and 10 tooth in the mandible. So a total of 20 tooth we have in our primary dentition, and in each quadrant we have 5 tooth. Okay, you can see this one is central incisor, this one is lateral, this one is canine, this one is first molar, and this one is second molar. In primary dentition we don't have premolars, and later on these molars will be replaced by the first and second premolars in the permanent dentition. Here you can see a picture of the permanent dentition. In permanent dentition we have 32 teeth in total in both the jaws, in the maxilla and in the mandible. In maxilla we have 16 teeth, and in mandible also we have 16 teeth. Okay, this is also the first quadrant, the second, the third, and the fourth quadrant. The maxillary right is the first quadrant, the maxillary left is the second, the mandibular left is the third quadrant, and mandibular right is the fourth quadrant. We goes in this direction, 1 2 3 4. Okay, in each quadrant we have 8 tooth. Central incisor, lateral incisor, canine, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, second molar, and third molar. Okay, now let's discuss the universal tooth numbering system of the deciduous dentition. What happens here that we use uppercase letters to name specific tooth, right? In universal tooth numbering system for the primary dentition we use alphabets, and we start from the posterior teeth. Now I will explain it. First I wanted to divide it into 4 quadrants to make it easier. So these are the 4 quadrants, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so in universal tooth numbering system we start from the posterior teeth. Like in the primary dentition the most posterior teeth is the second molar, and we start naming them from the posterior one, and then goes in this fashion in the alphabetical order: A B C D E F G H I J, and it ends at J in the maxilla, and then it begins in the third quadrant as K, and from there it ends in fourth quadrant as T. So we go in this direction from here to here. Okay, now universal tooth numbering system of the permanent dentition. In this system there is a difference that we use numbers for the permanent dentition, and we use alphabets for naming the primary teeth. So in permanent dentition we use specific numbers, and starting from from the most posterior teeth, right, you can see here that is the third molar. In case of the permanent dentition we start numbering them from here, and it ends at 8 in the first quadrant, and then it begins in the second quadrant as 9 to 16, and it the whole maxillary teeth are completed, that we have 16 tooth in the maxilla, and then started from the second third quadrant 17 to 32 we goes in this direction. There is also an arrow that denotes the direction of numbering them. So a total of 32 teeth we have in our oral cavity, and we number them in the universal tooth numbering system in this manner. So let's discuss the Palmer notation system for the deciduous and the permanent dentition both. Here you can see a picture of the primary dentition, and this one is the picture of permanent dentition. And again, we have 10 tooth in the maxilla and 10 in the mandible in the primary dentition. And there is a common thing between the Palmer notation system and the universal numbering system, that we use alphabets for the deciduous dentition and again numbers for the permanent dentition. So, and one difference is there between the universal numbering system and the Palmer notation method. Here you can see that in universal notation system we were starting it from naming them from here, the most posterior teeth, but in this notation system we start naming them from central incisors and goes back in the posterior teeth. And again here in the second quadrant we start naming them from the central incisor and we go into an alphabetical order backwards. Okay, so starting from central incisor we call it A, B, C, D, E until E. E is the second molar. And again for the second quadrant A, B, C, D, and again for the third and for the fourth quadrant. And this is similar for the permanent dentition, just there is a difference that we use numbers in it. So starting from the central incisor we go back until 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there is a question that if every quadrant has the same alphabet used for a same tooth, right? If central incisor of the first quadrant is also called A and the central incisor of the second quadrant is also called A, so how you will differentiate between the right and left sides? So how we will differentiate it, that we write it in a different symbol, and we use a symbol that denotes a particular quadrant. And what is that symbol? Let me tell you. Okay, for the maxillary right quadrant, that is the first quadrant, we use this sign. For the maxillary left, that is the second quadrant, we use this sign. For the mandibular left we use this sign, and for the mandibular right we use this sign. Okay, let me show you a chart. Here you can see these numbers and these symbols. For the upper right we use this sign and just write that number. For the permanent dentition, if it is a central incisor, maxillary right upper central incisor, and if it is for the maxillary left we will write it as making this angle and then write it the number. And again for the deciduous dentition, for the central incisor of the maxillary right you will write it as A. Here you can see. And for the maxillary left incisor you will write it as A, and the symbol will be used this one. So simply we use some symbols for denoting the quadrants. And what are those symbols? That we use this symbol for the first quadrant, this symbol for the second quadrant, this symbol for the third, and this one for the fourth quadrant, and just write the alphabet and the number of the tooth. Okay, now the FDI system. The FDI system is a 2-digit system in which we write the quadrant number also and the tooth number also. Like in Palmer notation method we were just using the symbol to denote a specific quadrant, but in FDI system we use certain numbers to denote specific quadrants. Now it is a bit complicated and it is a 2-digit system. Previously I have told you people that we name these quadrants as 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the permanent dentition, the maxillary right quadrant is called the first, the maxillary left is called the second quadrant, the mandibular left is called the third quadrant, and the mandibular right is called the fourth quadrant. And again for the primary dentition, the first quadrant, the maxillary first quadrant, that is the maxillary right quadrant, is the 5th quadrant. Then maxillary left is the 6th, the mandibular left is the 7th, and mandibular right is the 8th quadrant. So it is a bit, or you can say it is a bit confusing. So it is a 2-digit system. So when we are numbering the tooth, we will write these quadrants also before that tooth number. And there is a difference between the FDI system and the other two systems, that we use numbers for denoting both the primary dentition and both the permanent dentition. Like in the universal tooth numbering system and in the Palmer, we were using alphabets for primary and numbers for the permanent. But here in FDI, we are using numbers for both the dentitions. Now, here you can see this is upper central incisor 1, we name it 1, then lateral incisor 2, canine as 3, and 4 as first molar, and then 5, tooth number 5 is the second molar. But what is this 5 written here? This 5 is the quadrant number, that is the maxillary right, or the maxillary upper right quadrant is called the 5, the maxillary left is called the 6, the mandibular left is called the 7, and the mandibular right is called the 8. So if you're going to write the maxillary central incisor, the maxillary right central incisor, you will write as 5-1. If you want to write the maxillary left central incisor, you will 6-1. And if you want to write the mandibular left central incisor, you will write it 7-1. And if you wanted to write the mandibular right central incisor, you will write 8-1. For the permanent dentition, it is much more simpler, because you have to just write the first quadrant, and then the central incisor, if you want to write of the first quadrant, then 1-1, and the second quadrant 2-1, third quadrant 3-1, fourth quadrant 4-1. Hope this helps you. It's a bit confusing. You have to remember that we use 1, 2, 3, 4 for the permanent dentition, and 5, 6, 7, 8 for the primary dentition. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your near ones. Thank you.